Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. For today's number talk, we are looking at these two fractions and asking which one is greater. So we've got different denominators, so that's going to make it difficult for us. But one thing that we should hopefully see immediately is this 3/6. When we're thinking of 3/6 and we're thinking simplify, how do we simplify? We should hopefully see that 3 is half of 6. And so 3/6 is an equivalent fraction of 1/2. And so then all we would need to do would be to look at 7/15ths and say, all right, is that more or less than 1/2? And if 7/15ths is more than 1/2, then it would be more than 3/6. And if it was less than 1/2, it'd be less than 3/6. So how do we compare 7/15ths and 1/2? Well, there's two different ways we could do it. We can look at the numerator first, right? If I double 1/2, that's 1/2 plus 1/2, you know that's going to equal 1 whole, 2 halves. So what happens if I just double the 7? Just say 7/15ths plus another 7/15ths, right? 1/2 plus 1/2 plus makes 1. 7/15ths plus 7/15ths doesn't quite make a whole. It makes 1 less. It's only 14 out of 15. So that looks like it's going to be a little bit less. Another way to think about it is just what's half of 15? It's an odd number. So sometimes we have to look at the numbers before and after. If I had some fractions here, half of 14 is 7, half of 16 is 8, so 15 is right in between them, so it'd be 7.5. So this is equal to 1/2, and 7 is going to be a little bit less than that, just like 14/15 is less than a whole. So which one is greater? Well, it looks like that 1/2 is a little bit greater. We could put the greater than sign.